She's sleeping. So, like earlier, I was in this live chat. I subscribed to 2 new people. Well, I maybe subscribed to a few, but I subscribed to 2 new people that I was talking to earlier. Wait, you want to be on camera?
No.
So why are you peeking?
Because I'm looking at you.
She's not used to being on camera. I'm not either because it gets a little awkward when I'm talking.
Oh my gosh, what am I doing?
She's just sleeping. She passed out. I can hear her snoring. She's snoring. It's nighttime right now. I don't even know what time it is.
It's 1 o'clock.
1 o'clock? And I stayed up. I don't know, but in the live chat I told them what time it is, and now it's like 1 o'clock. Earlier, her butt was in Kelsey's face. She needs to move her butt. She's passed out. I can't wait for the wedding. I can't wait for the wedding. I can't wait for the wedding. My nanny's having a wedding soon, and we have some pretty dresses. We're going to be the flower girls, but we're not going to be throwing bouquets because we're not allowed to throw them in the church. It's sad, but at least we'll be walking down the aisle. Weird, but we have to be good. And we have to put makeup on. I'm not used to makeup. Big day on the wedding. We're going to be busy. We're going to be busy getting ready for the wedding. What?